Criticism is constant in progress. Take it constructively or let it destroy your morale. The choice is yours. Hello everyone and welcome back to CoinMonks. This is Shambhavi once again with you with another set of latest updates. Starting off with the headlines. DOGE co-founder criticizes Binance Chain claiming every token on the chain is a garbage. Almeda Research transfers 15 million worth Ether to FTX is a dump on the way. Bitzero data center assembled in North Dakota. Data is the new oil. Kanye West Yeezus files trademark application for NFTs. Starting up first, Billy Marcus, also known as Shibetoshi Nakamoto on crypto Twitter, is one of the protagonists best known for his role in the creation of Dogecoin. Doge is one of the most popular meme coins on the market right now. Billy is one of the Doge's co-founder. The creator of one of the most popular meme currency in the industry launched an offensive comment on the BSC community, referring to all tokens on the network as garbage and sparking a Twitter debate. The multitude of fraudulent activities and misuses that have transpired on the BSC ever since the rise of the DeFi industry is most probably the cause of such a bitter review of BSC based projects. Marcus also stated that BSC gem does not exist and that projects with some scope and fundamental value will not work with a BSC riddled with scams, exploits, and other issues. Investors have sometimes rushed to put money into specific projects launched on BSC. Before investing in these projects, whether they are crypto tokens or NFTs, investors assess their profitability. These potentially lucrative projects are known as BSC gems. Later, the Dogecoin co-founder said that he couldn't think of any exceptions to the rule because a project or platform's involvement in the chain is usually a huge red flag and it's nearly 100% garbage if it has anything to do with BSC. Next up, after the recent Luna debacle, the transactions of large organizations are being monitored to predict the next big move in the market. Just before the downfall of Terra, the LFG Foundation transferred a huge amount of BTC to several addresses. A similar incident has been noticed by Almeda Research. Almeda Research has transferred Ethereum worth 15 million to FTX. Almeda Research is a leading quantitative trading firm. Its daily trading volume accounts for almost $5 billion. It was founded by Sam Bankman-Fried. The organization recently tapped into DeFi loans to raise funding. Established in 2019, FTX is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges and was also founded by Fried. Amidst the recent market crash, the crypto giant is gearing up to invest billions of dollars in acquisition. The recent transfer of ETH is making users anticipate a huge dump is on the way. Recently, the value of Ethereum is following a downward trend and the community is fearing another fiasco. And now moving on to our next update. A cryptocurrency mining company that intends to use renewable energy has announced to plan to establish its headquarters and hub for all North American operations in North Dakota. Bitzero officially confirmed that it plans to build 200 megawatts of data center in the state over the next 3 years and is engaged in a partnership to become an assembly and distribution point for graphene battery technology. Governor Duke Burgum, the businessman Kevin O'Leary, best known for his appearance on the Shark Tank, were joined by Bitzero CEO Akbar Shamji and 3 affiliated tribes president. Mark Fox at the Fargo-Moorhead Convention visitors bureau for the formal announcement. Officials say that company will invest $400 to $500 million in the data center and will collaborate with MHA, nation's greenhouse project, to use heat from the data centers to grow food all year. Bitzero chose North Dakota because of its alignment on the state's goal of becoming carbon neutral by 2030, its robust energy industry, favorable tax and regulatory atmosphere, and availability of high engineering and software expertise for the commercial viability of new intellectual property in the data center space. A 50 megawatt Bitzero data center planned to be built close to the tribe's massive greenhouse. The greenhouse, which is big enough to accommodate 7 football fields, will be heated using heat collected from the data center's server. Natural gas production on the reservation will also be used to capture heat. Bitzero's arrival in North Dakota, according to Governor Duke Berman, is a big win for the state's economy. It helps Main Street. It helps every citizen, and it frees our state from its reliance on state revenues, which we have had for over a century. Bergam stated. North Dakota will be home to Bitzero's North American headquarters, which will employ 15 to 20 people. You'll definitely see a lot of us, said Bitzero's founder and CEO Akbar Shamji. Right now, we are torn between Fargo and Bismarck. We are currently working on it. Bitzero has raised nearly $100 million in investment capital to date, and the company expects to have an initial public offering on the Canadian Stock Exchange within the next 60 days, following by an NASDAQ listing once regulatory approval is received, according to the company officials. And now winding up with our last coverage for today. Renowned rapper designer Kanye West has filed 17 applications for trademark protection around his Yeezus name, including for non-fungible tokens. Copyright attorney Josh Gervin took to Twitter to announce Kanye West has applied for 17 NFTs and Metaverse Experience trademark to the US Patent and Trademark Office on May 27th. The application includes crypto-related products such as blockchain-based non-fungible assets, currencies and tokens, online retail store service featuring digital art, as well as non-crypto retail services like amusement park, cosmetic, campaign bags, household items, sporting equipments, etc. He made multiple US federal trademark registration filing through his mascot holding. Kanye West hasn't always had a positive stance towards digital assets. He had criticized digital art collectibles in 7 instances. In February this year, he posted a handwritten note on Instagram stating that he wanted to build real product in the real world and had no interest in the NFT. With this latest development, the rapper's opinion on NFTs and digital assets is expected to have shifted from an anti-NFT stance to a pro-NFT one. Many people in the entertainment sector have recently started developing a liking for NFTs and digital art collectibles. Apart from Kanye West, saucer icon David Beckham, YouTube star Logan Paul, and amongst others have also filed for Metaverse and NFT trademarks. Earlier this year, rapper Snoop Dogg released his NFT collection called A Journey with Do, featuring his childhood memories. Pop culture icon Paris Hilton also recently dropped her first NFT with Super Plastic, a vinyl toy and a digital collectible company. We'll round off our analysis for today and see you all tomorrow with even more exciting content. In the meantime, if you have any opinions or recommendations, do let us know in the comment section below. You can also join our Telegram channel for free crypto alerts. For instructions, reviews and tutorial, do visit our blog, which is linked right below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily crypto market updates. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.